Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Fabfitfun Summer 2024 add-ons and mystery bundle. I just held the mystery bundle here without my glasses on. All I know is I have something from short stories. I managed to keep the rest of it a mystery. I just unboxed my box and put this in my hair and it's so warm up here. I'm leaving my hair up, even though I didn't do a great job pulling it up. I'm gonna show you really quickly the add-ons that I have. I do have a couple of more coming, but they drop shipped, and with drop shipment it can take a little bit longer to get than just the regular things because it comes from the company, not from Fabfitfun. But I have another annual box to still unbox, so I'll just show them when I show that box. But let me show you what I chose for add-ons that did come. First things first, I got this give. This was one of the Boosts, but in Boost, it's the highlighter, Check My Glow. In Boost, they only had it in one color. But in add-ons, they had it in all the colors, which included the super lightest one. And I knew, let's be frank, I'm gonna be the lightest highlighter. This is what it looks like when we take it out. This is Give by Gwen Stefani. And I think, what was this one called? Platinum Cowgirl. She's so pretty. I love how light that is. Can you guys see the light colors and the pinks? That is gorgeous. Let's see what happens if I just kind of, oh, she's so pretty. I love it. Maybe a little more. Ooh, does it smell sweet? It smells sweet, almost like vintage face powder used to smell. Kind of like baby powder, but something's a little elevated about that. I did not know that was going to be the case. That is it. Oh, Rudolph the Red-Nosed, well, highlight nose reindeer. Very happy with this. Very, very happy. The color is super light, so it's perfect for me. And the scent was unexpected and lovely. Next out, I've got a skirt. At the end of this, we'll try this on. I chose this because I have never really done Fabfitfun clothes before. It's not anything that's ever really appealed to me. I'm trying to expand my wardrobe. I have no idea about their sizing. Absolutely none. So this could be way too big or way too small. And I think once you own it from Fabfitfun, you own it. But as luck would have it, my mother, my daughter, myself, we're all built very differently. But if it's too small for me, it might fit my, oh, it's a real wrap skirt. I didn't realize it was a real wrap skirt. I'm sure that it said it. I'm sure that it said it. But I did not realize that wrap. I have an old-fashioned terror of wrap skirts. I'm always afraid that I'm going to be walking and it's just gonna fall down around my knees. I do have one, and whenever I wear it, I wear, what are they called? They're the, like boxer, not boxer. They're like shorts that stop you from chafing. They're kind of thin, because then I figure at the very least it'll look like I have shorts on. We'll give this a try. But it's just a nice navy blue wrap skirt. Like I said, we'll try that in a second. Next out, we have the Swell food canister set that matches the one that we have in the box I just unboxed. This was our one in customization. It was the 16 ounce. This one is, I think, the size smaller. Yes. And the size bigger. How cute is he? So now I have all three. I'm just mostly gonna use them for food storage. I know from reading this one in my box that they are top rack dishwasher safe. They are single walled 18/8 stainless steel. What size is this one? Oh, it doesn't say. I bet the big one tells me both of them. It is 10 ounces and 24 ounces. So I have 24, 16, and 10. This is stinking adorable. This is like the perfect size for your purse. Like if you're leaving the house and you want to throw some nuts in a tin because you have a tendency to leave without eating a meal and it makes you feel kind of crappy after a while. Just one example of what you could do with this. But these are so super cute, and the lids, I talked about this when I did my unboxing of the 16. They go on really well, and I do feel like it's probably leak proof, which is what they say. Because when you take it off, it literally burps like a piece of Tupperware. So I added the 24 and the 10. The 16 is what came in my box. And if you follow along, like when I do my scroll through for add-ons or my scroll through for customization, one of the things that we talked about are these low-kai bracelets. and I managed to pick 2 up. I had to randomly pick a size. I went based on what you guys had said about them with the large. I will tell you, I did not realize they were gonna feel silicone-y. I thought they were gonna feel beady. I don't mind this as long as it doesn't feel like it's grabbing at my clothes if I have any little hairs on my wrist, that kind of thing. But I chose this one, which is kind of, oh, I remember the story now. Here, let me read it to you on the back. It's kind of clear. Where are my glasses? And it has the white bead up top and the black bead on the bottom, and it says, stay humble, sometimes you're on top. The white bead carries water from Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. So this is made with Mount Everest water, and it says, stay hopeful. Sometimes you hit your low. The black bead, which is on the bottom, carries mud from the Dead Sea, the lowest point on Earth. How cool is that? I thought that that was so cool. Now, let's see how we did with sizing. Oh, it doesn't stretch. There is so much about this I did not know and I did not understand. I thought it was going to be, hang tight, I thought it was going to be like this. Assumptions were made. It is not. It's like a baby teeter. It's just, it's all, wow. It's all one size, so, okay, it fits, perfect. Once I knew that it didn't stretch, I was a little worried, but it absolutely fits. I would never use the word tight for it, but it is, here, let me take this one off. It is not going to fall down my arm. It's gonna live right around there. This is the one that we got in our Goldie box. This one that I chose has the same white bead and dark bead. Okay, so do they all? Is that their thing? Because I thought that was the shtick of this one, which is why I got this one. I didn't realize it was in all of them. But this one has the happy faces all over it. How stinking cute is that? Okay, let's take it off. It's the same size. I got the large, I think. I think it came in like extra small, maybe small, medium, large, and extra large. I don't have a big wrist. I know I'm not a tiny little girl, but I wear a normal size bracelet. I'm like a 7.5 inch bracelet, and these are none too big for me. That's what they look like when they're both on. I mean, I don't know if you can tell. They're not, I can flex. They're not at all tight, but there's none of the drape. I generally like bracelets to have a drape, so if I got more of these, I will absolutely wear these. But if I got more of them, I would get them in the extra large. So that is interesting. Apparently that's what they do. So it's water from Mount Everest, mud from the Dead Sea. This one, which is the happy face one, they say mental wellness, and then the other one just says classic, and they are larges. So I picked both of those up. I think they were $14. I think they're only like $19 at their site, and I would argue if you buy extras, you probably get money off at that point, but I just thought it was a super fun way to try it, and I was really intrigued, especially with, since I thought this was the only one that did it, the Dead Sea water and Mount Everest water, or Dead Sea mud and Mount Everest water. Okay. This has been our freebie the last 2 seasons. If you spend more than $15 in the add-on sale, you get a free product usually. And this is the 2nd season that has been a root concealer. I get it so that I can show it to you guys, but then I will tuck it away. Actually, I'm getting ready to send off a giveaway, so I will probably put it in there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do it right now. Now I won't forget that. Okay, and the last thing I have, I set it right back down here where my husband had put it for me, is my mystery bundle. And I could tell when I picked it up to take my pictures, of course I have my glasses on now, but I could tell that this, I'm trying not to look over there, is a short stories box. It's just really easy to tell. So we're gonna rip right into this. Actually, I'm gonna lay it down on its side, cut it up. I like the mysteries to stay a mystery for me too. I even try not to watch other people's mystery bundles, since back in the day, you could watch 20 people with 20 mystery bundles and none of them would be the same. A repeat product, but they were just literally clearing out the shelves. Everything would be different. Now, there's the reason Jess and I pretty much stopped doing the mystery bundle battle. We started getting the same mystery bundle each time. So it made it really hard to battle. This is Short Stories, Fragile, Handled with Care. Ooh, utensil holder with tablet stand. I'm intrigued. I use my tablet in my kitchen a lot. I have started listening to books like a mad woman. It's like it's my job now. Stopped talking so that while I was messing with the styrofoam, you guys didn't have to hear it, because I know that can be a trigger. That is a sound. Look how cool this is. So it's a utensil holder in the back. I mean, that's good size. And then on the front, it's made to hold a tablet. It'll just sit in there. The beauty of this is, I think that this slot for it, there you go, you can see it better like that, is big enough that you don't have to take it out of the case. My iPad's always in its case. So some tablet holders can be difficult, but this is gonna be easy peasy to just perch there. I will tilt this, hoping that you can see that it's kind of spreckled. It reminds me of the description of how they described the pot, the plant pot that we could have chosen for our summer box. It makes me think very much of that, but that is pretty cool looking. I will probably use this. That is cool. If it was a little shorter, I would be tempted to use it up here, because I have like a mug, except for it's a handleless mug, that I keep things in. Like I always lit a candle, so I have one of those candle lighter thingies. I have a bunch of pins in it. I keep my scissors in it, my knife in it, and I have my iPad up here a lot to look up information. It would be perfect up here, but I think it's a little too tall. I think I would lose things down in there. It'll be perfect in the kitchen. Okay, next out, I have Sexy Hair Healthy Gloss and Glow Rinse. I don't know what that is. Let's read the back and see. Oh, it's very small and very dark. You know what? Speaking of that iPad, hey, it sits there very nicely. I know you can't, well, actually I can show you. I know you can't see it, but let me show you. Even with my super thick case on it, it sits in there really nicely. That is really cool. I do kind of wish I could keep it up here. On the Sexy Hair website, it says that it's an acidic conditioning rinse. Glossy, glass-like hair is just a rinse away. Sexy Hair Gloss and Glow Rinse is an easy way to increase shine by 23 times versus untreated hair while adding moisture after just one use. The Glow Up in a bottle is infused with glycolic and linoleic acids to gently remove dulling product buildup to reveal softer, brighter, more radiant hair. It gives slip and smoothness to detangle, improve manageability, and help seal the hair cuticle. Use it to protect hair color and increase color longevity, as it preserves over 95% of hair color after 30 washes. That's impressive. I am in such need of a haircut. I want to film a Vegamore a year later. How do I like it? Spoiler alert, I love it. I need to film that, but I really want to get it cut in color first. And when I do, I'm gonna save this for that, because 95% after 30 washes is fantastic. Just for the record, to use it, it says, after shampooing, apply in a zigzag motion to damp hair on mid-length to ends, based on hair length, work it through, leave on for 8 seconds, and rinse. That is very interesting. We'll definitely be giving that a try. We have something else little. It is Fill and Tame Brow Gel from Butanique Beauty, Nourishing Tinted Brow Gel. You guys know, if you follow the channel, I'm not opening this. I am not great, I'm just not great with brushes for your eyebrows. I end up with little specks of brown everywhere. My eyebrows are so thin that I have a hard time just keeping it right on the eyebrows. So I'm gonna tuck that right back in here. I decided to say for a giveaway. And last out, I have, oh, it's a travel bag with bottles. That is what that looks like. I suspect that my daughter might like this. She travels so much more than I do, and this is really cool. It's got 2 bottles, 2 tubs, and a misting situation. And it looks like there's stickers over here that say things like, they're upside down, mouthwash, nail polish remover. Did you not want to mess those up? Shampoo, shaving gel, suntan lotion, toner. Interesting, there's like 4 shampoos and no conditioner. Maybe there's more stickers somewhere. Yep, there are. There's more stickers over here. Body lotion, conditioner, cream AM, cream PM, eye cream. Very cool. I will set this aside if I happen to be going somewhere. Maybe I'll use it, but my daughter travels a lot, so I'm betting she would really like this. Those were my add-ons and my mystery bundle. Really happy. My mystery bundle is the utensil holder that will also hold my iPad, the travel set with the bottles. We have the Sexy Hair Gloss and Glow, which sounds like it would really help your hair, especially if you color it. The add-ons that I have received so far, which are both of these bracelets, which are really interesting. Oh, how many of you got this in your box? It is very, very nice. It is the Give Check My Glow highlighter. Oh, how cute are my nails by the, oh, they match my shirt. I didn't even realize. Maniology. I love the stamping. I can't help it. This is the Porcelain Cowgirl. I think it said online, and this is not why I got it. You guys know, super pale. This is the lightest one that they do. This is the one that Gwen uses. I added these two, the 10 ounce and the 24 ounce, so that now my 16 is a 3-pack. And I have the skirt. I'm gonna go try the skirt on. If it works, I'll be showing it to you. If all of a sudden you hear what I'm getting ready to say next, the skirt didn't fit. Gosh, guys, I'm not sure if I have this on right or not, but how cute is this? It's kind of like a tulip front. It comes up a little bit. I can't move it all the way over because it is a true wrap and it ends about here. I don't feel like I have all the strings through all of the right places, so I'm walking gingerly. I definitely got one of them through over here, and then it wrapped front to back a couple of times so that it looks like a tie, but oh my gosh, this is so cute. I think it was like $15, maybe $19, and it's so cute. And the waist is just incredibly flattering. I mean, that's just, I am super happy with that. Okay, back over to Happy Kathy at the table. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. These are my add-ons, my mystery bundle. I still have another Fabfitfun box coming that is another annual box. It has a mystery bundle in it too. Plus I have a couple drop ship add-on things that are still coming, so I will save them and show them when my other box arrives. I did rush on it also, and it shipped FedEx the same day. The box that I will link here that I just put up, it shipped FedEx on that same day, and I don't have it. The other one came via On Track. I don't even know what that means, who On Track is. But the FedEx had a weather exception because of some flooding, so I don't have that one yet. Before I rush, it is taking a little bit longer than it usually does, but that's out of Fabfitfun's hands. It's shipped super quickly. Thanks again for coming by. I will see you really soon. Like I said, I will link the Fabfitfun box that is the Summer 24 that I just unboxed. Actually, I'll link both of the ones that I have already unboxed. If you don't subscribe, I hope you will consider subscribing. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and please hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. Talk to you again really soon, guys. Bye.